How to overcome challenges through positive thinking. Let's get into it. Acknowledge and face the challenge positively. Recognize the problem without ignoring or denying it, and approach it with a mindset focused on finding solutions. Viewing challenges as opportunities for growth rather than failures helps cultivate resilience and optimism. Reframe negative thoughts into positive ones. When negative thoughts arise, consciously replace them with positive affirmations. For example, change "I can't do this" to "this is difficult but I can handle it." This mental shift builds confidence and encourages a solution-oriented outlook. Celebrate small victories to build momentum. Break down challenges into manageable goals and celebrate progress, no matter how small. Recognizing these wins fuels motivation and reinforces a positive mindset that sustains effort and perseverance. Practice mindfulness and gratitude. Engage in mindfulness exercises to stay present and reduce stress, and keep a gratitude journal to focus on what's going well. These practices help maintain an optimistic perspective and balance emotional well-being during difficult times. Use visualization and affirmations to boost confidence. Visualize yourself succeeding and overcoming obstacles regularly. Pair this with daily positive affirmations to strengthen belief in your abilities and foster mental environments where challenges become manageable parts of growth. By adopting these strategies, positive thinking becomes a powerful tool to overcome challenges effectively, enhance resilience, and transform setbacks into stepping stones for success.